Nature's Green Magic products are designed to afford you, the owner-operator, the opportunity to provide your customers the best results when detailing their vehicles. Our waterless wash and wax, also known as green, is a polymer formula that organically washes, waxes, buffs, and seals the vehicle's paint finish all in one. Our premium interior cleaner, also known as blue, provides superior cleaning and spot removal. Our tire and interior conditioner, also known as white, provides the best in leather and vinyl conditioning, protects and shines dashboards and leather for over 30 days, as well as tire shine. When detailing your customer's vehicle, it is important to use the proper products on the specific areas. The waterless wash and wax is designed to detail the exterior portion of the vehicle. You should have 2 microfiber towels to clean the surface, paint, glass, and rims. When washing and waxing the vehicle's paint, you must spray the proper amount of fluid on each section of the body. Because the waterless wash and wax is a polymer fluid, it is not necessary to spray a heavy amount. The fastest and most efficient way is to apply the product, wipe clean, and then buff wax one section at a time. There are 3 quick and easy steps to washing and waxing each area of the vehicle's body. Step 1. Spray the specific area you are about to service, 2 feet by 2 feet recommended. Step 2. Immediately wipe the area with your first microfiber towel, cleaning off any dirt on the surface. Step 3. Wipe the same area with a second microfiber towel, providing the polishing and buffing. It is important to take a final look at the area that was cleaned to make sure that all of the wax was buffed before moving to the next area. As you service the vehicle, it is recommended to start from the front of the vehicle to include the hood and front bumper, then work through the driver's side. As you do the driver's side, you should clean the roof of that side of the vehicle. You will then work your way around the back, then through the passenger side again, repeating the same task. The waterless wash and wax is also used to clean the vehicle's glass. As it removes the dirt and scuff, it also creates a barrier that repels water from the glass, as well as prevents fingerprints from sticking. Step 1. Lightly spray a small amount of fluid on the glass. Step 2. Wipe the entire glass with the first microfiber towel. Step 3. Wipe the entire glass with the second microfiber towel. Repeat the same 3 steps on the interior glass.